Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone camera to identify objects. Your iPhone can identify many objects, landmarks, plants, animals, and other items using built-in visual recognition features. Apple's visual lookup feature analyzes photos and provides information about recognized objects directly in the Photos app. Follow these steps to use your iPhone camera to identify objects. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the camera app. Point the camera at the object you want to identify. Ensure the object is well lit and clearly in focus. Take a clear photo of the object, then open the Photos app. Find and open the photo you just captured. Look for the visual lookup icon on the image. Then tap the visual lookup icon. Select the identification option that appears for the object if available. Then tap Continue. Review the suggestion matches provided your iPhone. Compare the results with the object shown in your photo. Then read the information and details about the identified object. Save or share the results if you'd like to access them again later on. Note, visual lookup works best with clear, well-lit photos that show the object's distinctive features. If no results appear, try taking another photo from different angle or distance. Newer iPhone models and recent iOS versions generally provide the most accurate object identification results. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.